In this question, we're going to determine the equation of a line that passes through the points of intersection of the two parabolas shown. So imagine this. Imagine we have these two parabolas. Maybe they look like this. And we can see that those two parabolas intersect at 2 points, right here and right here. And we can see that if we wanted to, we could draw a line in between those 2 points. Well, this question is asking us to give them the equation of that pink line. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let 2x squared minus 12x plus 8 equal x squared minus 7x plus 14. And we're going to subtract x squared from both sides, add 7x to both sides, and subtract 14 from both sides, and we get this. Now we want two numbers that multiply to negative 6 and add to negative 5. So those two numbers are negative 6 and positive 1. So x minus 6 times x plus 1 equals 0. That means x minus 6 is 0 or x plus 1 is 0. So that could mean that x is 6, or it could mean that x is negative 1. Well, if x is 6, we should figure out what the y-coordinate is, so we can plug that into either one of these two expressions. So we take 6 and plug it in here and evaluate y. 2 times 6 squared minus 12 times 6 plus 8 is 8, so the point is 6, 8. And over here, when I let x be negative 1, 2 times negative 1 quantity squared minus 12 times negative 1 plus 8 equals 22. So I have a point at negative 1, 22, right here. I want to know the equation of the line that goes between those 2 points. So we're looking for the equation of the line that passes between 6, 8 and negative 1, 22. So the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 22 minus 8 over negative 1 minus 6 is 14 over negative 7, which is negative 2. That means we can say y equals negative 2x plus b, because that's the m. So that's the slope. Y equals negative 2x plus b. Now we can sub in either one of these points. So I chose 6, 8. So y is 8 and x is 6. So I put in a y value of 8 and an x value of 6. I get 8 equaling negative 12 plus b, and when I add 12 to both sides, I get 20 equaling b. So that means that the equation of the line connecting the 2 points of intersection of those two parabolas is y equals negative 2x plus 20.